Stare really close.
Damn. I don't want to hurt my eye.
No, closer.
No, it's fine where it is. You can notice it.
Now go change your shorts and get back to work. Who's that?
What's the matter? You can't read?
Well, you're calling me illiterate?
Why are you saying who's that? That's not a person, it's words. It's a fucking sentence.
No, I mean the other person before that.
What?
The person before that.
Why are you asking who's that? It was supposed to be something scary.
Oh, well, you didn't scare me. Didn't see me jump. What?
Yo, you fucking suck.
Yeah, exactly, because you jumped and I didn't. Sorry.
I did jump.
Try again later.
Stop, you fucking asshole.
Back to what I said, you illiterate asshole.
Vic, don't spill that shit on my fucking computer.
You shut up. Don't fucking touch me. Don't touch me. You're a bitch. That's right. Watch. See?
Stop.
See?
Stop!
Shut up, Diesel. Did he hit his head?
Nick! Do you have a concussion?
Wait, no, he really hit his head.
I know. He turned and went big. Nick, are you bleeding?
You okay, Mick?
Are you dizzy?
They have meeky. You need a Jaeger bomb.
Do you know what Jaeger bomb is?
Diesel, get downstairs.